Hi guys, Russell here from Homebrew Republic. Welcome to a 2-minute brew review. We're going to check out the Black Rock Lager, we're going to talk about the finished product, we're going to check out the kit and any other ingredients you'll need to get this brew fermenting. Here's our finished product guys. As you can see, really amazing finish. We've got a beautiful gold colour, we've got a really nice clarity, we've got a soft white head, we've got a really clean aroma with soft malt tones coming through. This was made with the green billet hop, so we have a little bit of complexity and a little bit of sophistication to the aroma, which is really nice. And our flavour profile, as you would expect, really light malt tones, really crisp, really clean, really refreshing. The IBU, or the bitterness on this, is really low. It's got a rating of 20, so it's got a really soft bitterness. This is the kit itself. The actual description says a blend of hop varieties produces the characteristic bitterness and aroma of this refreshing lager. It's our standard can kit. All we need to do is lift off the lid and we have our factory yeast. Special instructions: if you use the factory yeast that comes with the kit, the recommended fermentation temperature range is between 18 and 30. We'd suggest you stick to the lower end of that, between 18 and 22 degrees. If you're looking for a yeast alternative, we'd suggest you have a look at the M54 California lager yeast, which is from the Mangrove Jacks range. The only other ingredient you're going to need to get this brew fermenting is a source of fuel for fermentation. You can go with 1 kg of dextrose or liquid malt extract. We always prefer liquid malt extract. It gives a little bit more body and a slightly nicer mouthfeel with a little bit of smoothness to it. If you go down the liquid malt extract route, you can go with Mangrove Jacks, in which case you'd be using a 1.2 kg pouch. If you go with Black Rock, you'll be using a 1.7 kg tin. The only other piece to that is we'd suggest you use an ultralight liquid malt extract. All that said guys, this is a phenomenal brew. It was well received by my friends when I shared it around, and I hope you enjoy it. Cheers!
Cheers!